Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use the Trove investment app. Now, in case you don't know, the Trove investment app is an app that is used to invest in stocks, both Nigerian and foreign stocks, which means that aside from Nigerian stocks, you can also find stocks like Google, Netflix, Apple, Facebook, etc. on this app. And also on this app, you can also invest in reits. Reits means real estate investment trust. You can also invest in ETFs and so on. Now, before I continue, if you are new to my YouTube channel, my name is Femi Olaniyan, and I make content on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, and the stock market. So if you love content about all of this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. Now to how you can use the Trove investment app. I'll be showing you how to use everything on the menu and everything you need to know about this app. Now, as you can see on my dashboard, you have wallet balance, portfolio, top performing holding. Now you can see here my wallet balance is 943 Naira. This is the money I have in cash, not the money I have in my assets or in my stock. This is money I have in cash. While my portfolio is showing 7. This means that I'm currently investing in 7 companies. And here it's showing my top performing holdings. This means out of all the companies I'm investing in, the one that is performing best is Apple. And also, if you come down, you will see best performance. Here it's going to show you the top 3 stocks that are performing for the last 24 hours. And also, if you come down, you will see companies that will prescribe to you based on your risk profile. While you're signing up on this app, you have to fill a form and show your risk profile on the app. So if you come down, you see market news on different stocks and stock market generally. And also here you have browse by category. So if you want to invest in companies based on technology, just click here. Based on finance, energy, real estate, and so on. So for the sake of this training, I'm going to be using the demo account. So I'm going to switch to demo account here on the left side of my screen. I hope you can see it here. So I'm going to click on it and switch to demo account. So as you can see on the demo account, the next thing, since I've already shown you what was on the dashboard, the next thing is I'm going to show you different assets. Now, if you come down, you can see browse assets here. So once you click on browse assets, here you can see all of the assets you can invest in on this app. Now, earlier I told you can invest in Nigerian stocks. So if you want Nigerian stocks, you click here. If you want foreign stocks, you click here. And also, if you come down, if you want ETFs, you click here. So let's just check out some of the Nigerian stocks on this app. So you come and click view all here. So once you click view all, you see all of the Nigerian stocks that you can buy on this app. So here you have different Nigerian stocks. You can see this Access Bank. This is ICO. If you come down, you see different familiar companies here. This is Airtel. This is Beggar Paints. Different company. And if you want more, you just come down, click 2, 3, 4, and so on. So let's try to buy shares from a particular company. Let's choose Access Bank. So as you can see, this is Access Bank. So if you want to buy shares from Access Bank, all you have to do is just come to the right side of the screen here. It's also the same thing on the phone. And you click on trade. So once you click on trade, since you want to buy, this is sell. So since you want to buy, you come down here, select trade type. There are actually 2 types of trade types here. You have market and you have limit. Now, market means you want to buy the shares at the current price right now. While limit means you want to buy at your own price. It means you are going to set the price you want to buy at. And so once you use limit, once you get to that price that you want, you are going to automatically buy shares from that company. Now, we are using market for this tutorial. So it means that we are buying at the current price of the shares. Now, we are going to enter the quantity we want to buy, or we enter the amount we want to spend. So we are going to enter the number of quantities we want. So let's say we want to buy 100 shares from Access Bank, which means we are going to spend 835 Naira. And also here the service fee 0 and all of that. So we are going to proceed to payment. Yeah, so you can see order confirmation. Just bought 100 shares of Access Bank and we spent 858 Naira. So as you can see, we just exit and that's all. And that is how you can buy Nigerian shares on the app. Now let's also try to check out some foreign shares. Let's try to buy from some foreign shares on the app. So let's come down here and click view all. So here we're going to see different foreign shares we can invest in on this app. So let's try to pick a particular company. Let's try to search, let's say Apple. Let's try to search Apple. So you can see this Apple. So you click on Apple. So if you want to buy shares from Apple too, just click on trade. Now once you click on trade, I already told you we have a market and we have limit. So let's choose market. So here we're going to enter the number of quantity we want. Let's say 100 again. 100. So proceed to payment. And as you can see, order confirmation, we just bought 100 shares of Apple and we spent $13,000. So we're going to exit. So that's how you can invest in foreign and Nigerian stocks on the app. That's how you can buy shares from the app. So let's continue with the menu. As you can see on the left side of my screen, the next one is your portfolio. Now this is where you can see the shares you have and other stocks that you have on the app. Right now, in my demo account, my total portfolio value is 361 million naira. Yeah, it's going to show you both your assets and the amount you have in cash. Everything together will be showing here. And here you're going to see your returns per day and your returns all time, which means the money you've made in the last 24 hours, you see it here. And below here, you see the money you've made all time since you started investing with the app. And here it's going to show you your top performing assets that you have on this app. And also it's going to show you the total number of assets you have on this app. So it's also the same thing. It's going to show you your equity, fixed income, and the cash you have. Currently, the shares I just bought right now on this app, they can't show here because the markets are closed. The markets are closed. That's why it can't show here. So the next one is your watch list. Now, your watch list here means that if in case there is a particular stock you want to monitor or you want to watch, you can actually add it to your watch list. Now, how can you add stocks to your watch list? Just come to search where you have search here and just search for a particular company. Let's search for Access. So we have Access Bank here. So if you want to add it to your watch list, just click on plus here, this plus sign here. Click on plus and you see add to watch list. And just like that, it has been added to your watch list. So as you can see, Access Bank is added to our watch list. So here right now, you can be monitoring these two shares, both Apple and Access Bank, instead of having so many shares or so many stocks to monitor. So you can just monitor everything under your watch list. Now the next one is calendars. Now under the calendar part, you can check when each company will pay their dividend. Now you can see dividend calendar. So here it's showing you when each company will pay their dividend. For example, this number one here, they are paying their dividend every month. You can see monthly. If you scroll down, you see different companies monthly. If you want to check more companies, you can just click 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you check different companies when they are paying their dividends. And also the next one is order history. Now under order history, this is where you're going to find all your transactions. So maybe where you buy, all the transactions where you bought, where you sold shares, where you've gotten free shares and all of those things, different transactions you've made. You're going to see everything under your order history. And next one is your wallet. Now under your wallet, you have Naira wallet and you have dollar wallet. Now let me tell you the difference. Naira wallet is used to invest in Nigerian stocks, while dollar wallet is used to invest in foreign stocks. Which means that the money you have in your dollar wallet, you can use it to invest in Nigerian stocks, while the money you have in your Naira wallet, you can use it to invest in foreign stocks. Now, how can you deposit money or withdraw money from here? Because this is where you can actually deposit and withdraw money into the Trove app. Now, once you click on Naira wallet, let's say you want to deposit Naira into our wallet. So just click on, you can see here you have add funds, withdraw, and so on. So you click on add funds, and then you can actually deposit through bank transfer or using your card. It's as simple as that. And also to withdraw funds, you can just enter the amount you want to withdraw, and then the money will be sent into your bank account after some minutes. And here you can see convert Naira to dollar. This is in case you want to you don't have money in your dollar wallet, so you want to convert your Naira to your dollar wallet so you can invest in foreign stocks. This is where you can convert. The rate they will be using will be shown to you where you want to convert. Now the next one is next one is dollar wallet. Now dollar wallet is also the same. You can also deposit money through bank transfer or using your card, and you can also withdraw money directly into your Nigerian bank account. And also you can also convert your the money in your dollar wallet to Naira. The next one is settings. Now settings, this is where you can set different things, maybe your preferred currency, account statement, trade confirmations. If you want to change your password, different things you can do. Your profile, if you want to change your employment details, next of kin, photograph, photo of address. And here, this is where if you want to add your Nigerian bank account, and here you want to add your dollar bank account, and here if you want to add your debit card. So there are different things you can do under settings. Now for free shares, Now, if you refer people to Trove investment app, you're going to be given 5 shares of Dangote Sugar or GT Bank for free, and the person you are referring to will also get 5 shares of Dangote Sugar or GT Bank for free. Now, if you come here, this is where you're going to be seeing your rewards from your referrals. Now, if you go down here, you can see these are my referrals that I've gotten on the app. So these are people that have signed up through my link, and they also got 5 free shares of GT Bank or Dangote Sugar for free. Now, also, if you refer people, you are also going to see all your rewards here. And the next one is log out if you want to log out of the app. So this is how you can use the Trove investment app. You can use it to invest in the stock market, both Nigerian and foreign stocks. You can use it to invest in rates. You can use it to invest in ETF. So I hope you've learned something in this video. If you've not downloaded the Trove investment app, just use the link in my description to sign up on the app and start investing in the stock market. Investing in the stock market is a very, very good investment. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.